ackee and saltfish with some fried dumplings, some fried breadfruit, some plantain.
Nice things, nice things, nice things. One good girl, yeah, do the right thing. One with yourself and like your style wing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Q&A video. No recipe videos today. I will resume my recipe videos soon, I promise. I have so many recipes stashed away for you guys, and I promise that I'm gonna dive back into the kitchen and get these recipes out for you guys as soon as possible. So we're just gonna jump right into today's video. I'm gonna be answering a series of questions that you guys asked on my Instagram. So the first question is best and worst thing about cooking. So the best thing about cooking is just putting together my recipes and having the people that I cook for actually enjoy the meals that I make. So that is my favorite thing about cooking. My least favorite part of cooking is the cleaning of the meat. If you are someone who cleans and washes the meat and stuff before you actually cook it, then you know what I'm talking about. Taking all the slime, all the fat, all that gooey stuff off meats and stuff, that is my least favorite part. Like, I do not love the process of cleaning meat at all. And then when it comes to washing dishes after the whole process of cooking, I don't like that either. The next question is, do you have a restaurant? If not, would you open one? I don't have a restaurant as yet. Right now, I just cook at home. I would love to have a restaurant, but having a restaurant is a lot. Financially, you have to literally be set for that. You have to also have a lot of planning and stuff that goes into it. Like, I'm not someone who just wants to jump foot with anything that I do, but I would love to have like a lounge, a restaurant, a bar, something like that. But right now I'm just chilling and allowing God to just order my steps how he sees, and hopefully one day I will have a restaurant. The next question is, when did you start cooking? So I started cooking when I was 12 years old. That's when I made my first ever meal in Jamaica. I remember how happy, excited, and proud I was of making my first meals. And the next question is, what is the first meal that I ever made? The first meal that I ever made that was official tissue was saltfish with banana and dumpling. The next question is my favorite thing to cook and my least favorite thing. So my favorite thing to cook is oxtail because I love it so much, and I think my oxtail is A1. If you haven't checked out my oxtail recipe video, I'm gonna leave that down below. Please help me get this video to 1 million views. Right now it's at like 860 something K. You guys are bomb.com. Anybody who has ever watched that video, anybody who has ever supported any of my videos, thank you guys. My least favorite thing to cook, I don't think I have a least favorite thing. I just hate cooking anything that's like super oily or super greasy that's just gonna be messy. Frying chicken, I like literally need like an air fryer or a deep fryer or something. I hate frying chicken as is. It's just too much with the oil, the grease, anything greasy and too oily. Maybe I don't really like cooking stuff like that. The next question is, what are your goals for your cooking channel? Get better each and every day, get better with my recipes, get better with my presentation, get better with my consistency, just grow in general. I want my channels to grow. I want my audience to grow. I want to keep helping people learn how to make the simplest of meals. Besides YouTube videos, what else do you like doing? I love to eat. I just love the fact that I know how to cook because I love to eat. So I love to go out to eat. Right now, because of the pandemic, that kind of slowed down a bit. I haven't really been out much to do anything. So I haven't really been to much restaurants since this whole pandemic. But I love to try new restaurants. I love to travel. I love to do outdoor activities. I love hiking. I love going to the beach. Anything that has to do with outdoors and being in nature, sign me up. I'm really not hard to please at all. So the simplest things in life makes me happy, and that really, really is true. The next question is, do you have kids? If not, would you like to? And do you have any names in mind? This is a very loaded question, but the first part, do I have kids? No, I don't have any kids right now. Would you like to? Yes, I would love to have kids. And do you have any names planned? No, I don't have any names planned. Maybe when I actually am pregnant and I'm expecting kids, then I'll think about names, but I haven't really thought of like any names to name my future kids. Any big plans for the rest of the year? 2020 is nothing like I imagined it would be. I had so many big plans when it comes to traveling, when it comes to my channel. I wanted to just travel and give you guys like behind the scenes stuff of like trying new foods, trying new restaurants, just fun, exciting stuff that I wanted to incorporate into my channel besides just cooking. But with this whole pandemic, a lot of things kind of went up into smokes. I definitely want to do some traveling before the year ends, but at the same time, I do have to make sure that I'm keeping myself safe and I'm not just going to be one of these people who's going to be out here thinking that the whole virus is gone. But if things become better and I do have the okay to travel to wherever I want to, then I do plan on bringing you guys along with me, probably doing some vlogs, probably trying some restaurants, some new foods, and taking you guys along. So when it comes to big plans, I just want to travel. I don't really have anything else in mind that's so huge for the rest of the year. I just want to get some traveling done, create some bomb dope memories with the people I love, you know, go on a little vacation with my man. Like, I just want to get back to actually living my life and just not feeling as though I'm doing the same thing each and every day, because right now everything is just so limited. So to end off this little Q&A, I'm just going to do something a little bit fun and answer a couple of this or that questions. So the first one is, do I prefer Ting or DNG? I do love Ting a lot, and I also love Jamaican cola, Jamaican cream soda, ginger beer, and pineapple when it comes to drinking DNG, so that's kind of hard. So I love my Ting, but I also love DNG, so it's kind of like a tie. Can't really decide. So I'm gonna go with both. Jerk chicken or jerk pork? This is hard. Like, I love jerk chicken. Like, I literally would eat jerk chicken every day if I could. And jerk pork, you just can't go wrong with some hard dough bread. I'm gonna just have to go with jerk chicken, even though I do love jerk pork too. Oxtail or curry goat? These questions are so hard. Like, I can't just choose one. Like, I need both of them. Oxtail, I'm gonna go with oxtail. I love curry goat, but oxtail is just a little bit better in my opinion. Ackee and saltfish or just saltfish? It just depends on my mood, but ackee and saltfish is always a vibe. If you know, you know. Ackee and saltfish with some fried dumplings, some fried breadfruit, some plantain. You just can't go wrong. Fried dumpling or cooked dumpling? All of these questions just depend upon my mood. Like, I can't decide. Like, it depends on the mood I'm in. Like, I love both. Like, I love fried dumplings, like I said, with ackee and saltfish and stuff like that. But then I love boiled dumplings when it comes to just saltfish by itself. So it just depends on what I'm eating and what mood I'm in. But I do love both. So this is not going to be a this or that question. It's just going to be a question in general. Describe the perfect Jamaican Sunday dinner. My idea of the perfect Sunday dinner is rice and peas with oxtail, fried chicken, a little bit of curry, you know, curry chicken or curry goat somewhere in there. Then I have to have some potato salad, some fried plantain, some well sweet fried plantain, and avocado. And then on the side for my juice, I just want some carrot juice or some nice rum punch, or some strawberry lemonade, just something refreshing. Give me that and I am set for the whole week. That is the perfect Sunday dinner. Comment down below and tell me if you agree with my choice. So guys, this is the end of the video. It was really fun hanging out with you guys today. If you guys have any questions that I missed, then definitely comment down below and let me know. If you guys enjoyed this video today, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video.